Varo Personal Line of Credit Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if you could have access to extra cash when you need it, without high fees, hidden surprises, or the stress of traditional loans? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025, personal lines of credit have evolved to be flexible, transparent, and user-friendly. The surprising truth about the Varo Personal Line of Credit is that it combines fast access, low interest rates, and digital convenience, making it one of the most practical options for short-term borrowing if used wisely. But is it really worth it, or should you leave it behind? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. By the end of this review, you'll understand exactly how Varo's line of credit works, the costs involved, eligibility requirements, repayment mechanics, who benefits the most, potential drawbacks, and whether it fits into your financial strategy in 2025. Stay with me, because near the end I'll reveal one insider tip that can save you hundreds of dollars if you decide to use this line of credit. Let's start with the basics. The Varo Personal Line of Credit is a revolving credit account offered by Varo Bank, a digital-first financial institution. Unlike a traditional loan, which gives you a lump sum upfront, a line of credit allows you to borrow only what you need, when you need it, up to your approved limit. Interest is charged only on the amount you borrow, not the total credit limit, which can save money compared to standard loans or credit cards. Varo is fully online, meaning there are no branches, and the entire application, approval, and management process is handled through their mobile app. The platform is designed for simplicity, transparency, and speed. Now let's talk about eligibility. In 2025, to qualify for the Varo Personal Line of Credit, you generally need to be at least 18 years old, a U.S. resident, and a Varo Bank account holder in good standing. Varo evaluates applicants based on creditworthiness, income, and account history. Unlike traditional loans that rely heavily on credit scores, Varo takes a more holistic approach, which can benefit users with limited credit history. Now let's talk about the application process. The application is fully digital and takes just a few minutes. You provide personal information, financial details, and link your Varo account. The system often provides instant approval decisions, and if approved, you'll receive a credit limit that reflects your financial profile. There are no lengthy forms, no branch visits, and minimal paperwork. Now, let's talk about borrowing mechanics. Once approved, you can access funds instantly through your Varo Bank account. You borrow only what you need, up to your approved limit. This flexibility allows you to cover unexpected expenses, pay bills, or manage cash flow without using multiple credit cards or high-interest loans. Now, let's talk about interest rates. Varo Personal Line of Credit offers competitive variable APR, often lower than typical credit cards, and payday loans. Interest is charged daily on the outstanding balance, and there are no hidden fees or compounding surprises. This structure rewards responsible use, as paying off borrowed amounts quickly minimizes interest costs. Most people get this wrong. They assume a line of credit works like a credit card with high revolving debt. In reality, Varo's line of credit encourages disciplined borrowing by offering low fees, transparent terms, and no penalty for early repayment. Now, let's talk about repayment. Repayment is flexible. You can pay down your balance at any time without penalties. Monthly minimum payments are calculated based on the outstanding balance, making it manageable even for users with tight budgets. Full repayment is encouraged to avoid ongoing interest charges. Now, let's talk about fees. Varo is known for its transparency. There are no annual fees, no maintenance fees, and no hidden service charges. The primary cost is interest on borrowed amounts. ATM fees do not apply when withdrawing funds directly from your Varo account, which makes accessing your line of credit funds straightforward and cost-effective. Now, let's talk about security. Your funds and personal information are protected with bank-level encryption and two-factor authentication. Varo is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are safe, and your borrowing activities are securely tracked through the app. You can monitor transactions in real time and receive alerts for activity, helping you stay on top of your account. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. Varo Personal Line of Credit is ideal for individuals who occasionally need extra cash for short-term needs, such as covering medical bills, emergency expenses, or unexpected repairs. It's particularly beneficial for those who already have a Varo account, prefer digital banking, and want a cost-effective alternative to high-interest credit cards or payday loans. Now, let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you tend to carry revolving debt without a plan to repay, a line of credit even with low interest can become expensive over time. Also, if you prefer in-person banking or need more complex loan products, Varo's digital-only platform may not be a fit. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Imagine Alex, a freelance graphic designer who occasionally experiences gaps between client payments. When unexpected car repairs cost $800, Alex accessed the Varo personal line of credit and transferred the exact amount needed. By paying it back over 2 months, Alex avoided high-interest credit card fees and kept finances on track. Similarly, Janie, a college student, used the line to cover unexpected textbook costs and repaid quickly without penalty. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Some users borrow more than necessary, thinking they need to maximize their limit. Others ignore repayment schedules, letting interest accumulate unnecessarily. The key is disciplined borrowing. Use the line strategically, repay promptly, and monitor interest. Now, let's talk about digital convenience. The Varo app allows you to manage your credit line alongside your checking account. You can view your available limit, outstanding balance, interest accrued, and repayment schedule in one place. Instant transfers to your bank account make accessing funds seamless. Now, let's talk about integration with other Varo services. If you use Varo's checking and savings accounts, the line of credit integrates smoothly with automated transfers, budgeting tools, and savings goals. This ecosystem creates a holistic approach to financial management, allowing users to balance borrowing, spending, and saving efficiently. Now, let's talk about flexibility. Unlike traditional loans with rigid schedules, Varo's line of credit adapts to your cash flow. You borrow only what you need, repay when possible, and avoid overextending. This flexibility is one reason digital lines of credit have grown in popularity in 2025. Now, let's answer the big question. Is Varo personal line of credit worth it in 2025? If you occasionally need flexible, low-cost access to cash and are comfortable managing money digitally, yes. The combination of competitive rates, fee transparency, and instant access makes it a practical tool for short-term financial needs. If you struggle with discipline or need complex financial services, it may not be the right fit. Here is the surprising truth. The line of credit is most powerful when used responsibly. Borrowing just what you need and repaying promptly can save hundreds compared to high-interest credit cards, while offering the convenience of instant access when emergencies arise. So let me ask you something. Would you rather scramble for cash during unexpected events, or have a flexible, low-cost solution ready in your digital wallet? If this review helped you understand the Varo personal line of credit, tap the like button so more people can discover smarter borrowing options. Subscribe for more in-depth financial reviews and practical money tips. And comment below, how would you use a flexible line of credit if you had access today? Responsible borrowing can be a powerful tool, and with the right strategy, it can give you peace of mind in 2025 and beyond.